If you had this 100 trillion banana buck note, you'd be rich, right? Not in the jungle of Bananabucks. That note? It could barely buy you half a banana peel. That's not a joke. That's hyperinflation. And it all started with one monkey dictator, Monkey Mugabe. Monkey working. He ruled the jungle with a tight grip and a very loose brain. In the year 2000, Monkey Mugabe wanted to win favor with the poor. He said, "Let's fix the jungle's colonial past. Take land from rich monkeys and give it to the poor." Sounds noble, but what happened? He gave farms to his friends, monkeys who had never grown a banana in their life. Some didn't even know what soil was. In just a few years, banana farms dried up. Food production was cut in half, but demand stayed high. Millions of monkeys still needed to eat. So what happened? Prices skyrocketed. A loaf of banana bread cost 30 million Zimbabwean dollars. A bus ride home? More than your monthly salary. Monkeys were starving, angry, hopeless. But instead of fixing the mess, Monkey Mugabe made it worse. He fired up the printing press. Print more banana bucks. The jungle's central bank printed $1 million notes, $100 billion notes, and finally, $100 trillion. You could be a banana trillionaire by breakfast and still broke by lunch. Prices doubled every day. Shops raised prices every hour. ATMs gave out less than $1 worth of money, if they had any left. To stop inflation, you need to do two things. Stop printing money. Make monkeys believe the currency has value. Monkey Mugabe did neither. In fact, he sent troops to war in Congo because why not? Meanwhile, the jungle removed 10 zeros from its money, then removed 12 more. It didn't matter. We removed the zeros, but we also removed the trust. Eventually, the jungle gave up. They said, forget banana bucks, use US leaves, use mango stones, just not this trash. The banana buck died. A currency once worth something, now worth less than toilet paper, literally. But out of this mess came something wild. The monkeys turned to their banana phones. They skipped banks, skipped coins. They invented mobile money. Apps like EcoCash allowed monkeys to send money with just a text. No bank, no lines, no trust issues. Today, 90% of money in Bananabucks is digital, and the monkeys are finally healing.